Hey everybody, I just want to let you know that we're having the Sounds of Summer event. Now we're going to be selling a whole ton of these RJWC exhausts. We've got boxes and boxes. The place is a bit of a mess. We got more boxes there. We got more boxes in the back. The Sounds of Summer, the reason we call it the Sounds of Summer, because when you have RJWC exhaust on your bike, it sounds amazing. It is a really good sound. I'll add some footage on there so you can see. We've got the singles, the duals, we've got full systems, we've got most applications here. If not, we can get them on pretty short order. We have free shipping in Canada and the United States, and just give us a call for the really, really good deals. Don't go online, don't go to our website. Give us a call, 1-800-667-1175. We'll chat you up, and we'll make sure that you leave with a smile on your face on the other end of the phone. We ship to the United States, we ship to Canada. Want to make sure everybody's happy. You guys need your RJWC exhaust. Like, I mean, just look at this. This one's been pretty beat up because it's been sitting here and people have been pawing at it for the last year. But this is the kind of quality you're getting. And, you know, they've got more products coming out on a daily basis, it seems. Extremely high quality. We've never had one of these come back ever since we've sold them, and we've sold a few hundred of them. Stainless steel, billet aluminum. They've got, of course, we've got the neutrino lights right here by RJWC. I think they're like, I forget what they are, 8,000 or 10,000 lumens. They're ridiculous. They replace your stock headlights on your bike. Got these cool metal caps. All products, we will look after you. Air box covers, shifters, fuel tank or fuel caps here, tuners, quiet cores, whatever you want. It's the Sounds of Summer event. Make sure you call us, 1-800-667-1175. All right, nice. Okay, Simon, let's get these out of here.